So that's it. You are set up to go, and now you're in the world of all the multiple different settings that you can do within Discourse. But right now you can type and do a post. Hello, first ever post. How is everyone doing today? Press escape, you'll see over here. So you're already, you're out there and you're posting. There's a million different settings you can start changing, you can start tinkering with, and now unique Discourse forums. If you go to discourse.org, that's a really good forum where you can ask your specific questions. You can also email the support team. So if you go to the community here, it's a great place to find all your answers to specific things. How do I set this up? How do I set that up? Really easy to use. Your plugins, all the different plugin settings, all the different plugin apps you've got that you want to change. If you want to add some AdSense stuff, you get straight to the settings there. What you want to do is check the email works. So send yourself an email. Send test email. There we go. Oh no, that's for PayPal. Alright, pal. So you want, it says successful. We are waiting there, it's already there. We just clicked off as it come. There's the test. So the email's working. You might want to send a team member an invite to see if it works. So user, send invite. Send an invite. Yeah, go invite and type in Paul 1. Oh, what's that? Invite. Please include invite by. Oh, here we go. Invite by email. Paul 1. Any groups that you've set up, but let's just send the invite to make sure that the invite works. We're waiting for a beep. There we go. Here's your invite. Paul Nicholson's training group, they would just tick that. Obviously, I'm already logged in, so it won't work. So the invite's working, the emails are working, and now there's loads of different settings that you can play with. I'll do a full introduction to, I've already done full introductions to Discourse, but I'll do a full one for 2021. This was just how to set up and get working on your Discourse forum, discoursehosting.com, or Communiteq as it's now called. Hopefully that helped. If you're going to sign up, it'd be great if you used pnuk.co/dhost. That is my affiliate link. I'll get a little bit of commission for sending you their way. Obviously, I have full training, and I will put a full training course together for Discourse hosting and Discourse in general. I have a Q&A forum where you can just dive in, ask me questions. I've got one I need to answer there. I'll come and answer all the questions. I've got a little fun pub forum, the Punk Pub, where we just talk about all things, everything else, and have a bit of a laugh that I've just launched. And of course, you can leave comments on this video on YouTube, and I will reply the best I can. Thanks for watching. If you want to stick around, I'll show you how to cancel as the last chapter of this video. But thanks for watching. If you've got this far, a subscribe would be amazing. Have fun with Discourse. It's really easy to use. See you soon.